guys, so today we're going to do my magnet collection and Fidget. Guys, this is the first one. It's my magnet box. I have 18 to 19 of them. And look, is that cool? Super strong magnet. And these one, I have 12. Is that cool? And it even survives very tight things. Next up, Fidget. I only have 4 Fidgets, so that's okay, right? Small Fidget. It's not that fast, but it takes a lot of time to slow down. Special light Fidget. It's very heavy. Fidget has lights, but the lights are kind of broken. And it's very fast. Now it's my very heavy Fidget. And it takes a lot of time to slow down. Is that cool? For watching this video, please subscribe, comment below, and smash that like button. Peace out, then pop the love.